Good afternoon, ma'am and sir. Today, March 22, 2024. This is HSTW number 27, temporarily docked at Southern Marps Tasulir, Parañaque City. Today, we conduct weekly watercraft monitoring. First, the status of the HSTW number 27 is only port side engine functional for warm-up, but the time and belt of the engine need to replace according to MMRU personnel. We see the actual location of the boat. Next is the odometer of the port side engine. Number 2, we cannot start the center engine because of the upper part copper tube of trim assembly motor was removed by MMRU mechanic for replacement. 3. The starboard engine is lack of ATF oil on trim assembly motor and still under the maintenance of the MMRU. The port side engine, the center engine, and the starboard engine. The boat number. Thank you and good afternoon.